So I couldn't find any information on removing the exterior door handles on the 981, so I'm going to try and make you guys a video as I go. Here's the inside after you remove your door card. These are 10 millimeters, there's 2 of them. That's what I'm going to start with. Okay, after you remove those 2 10 millimeters, this will be able to come straight off. You don't have to undo that or that. Bring you back in just a second. This piece here just lifted straight up off the stud there, and it looks like this stud came out with it for some reason. I'll have to put that back in. But I did have to take this one wire right here off of here because it is attached. If I can do this part one-handed or not, but really all that's left is getting these tabs right here. My phone will focus. These tabs here, you've got to push this up and then they'll go down, and you can pull the whole handle out this direction toward the bottom of the door. See if I can set it in here and get it for you. And there it is. Pretty simple job. The only probably hard part for you guys would be the door card, which I made a video on that too if you search it up. All pretty straightforward really. You could do this on the car. I'm painting mine, that's why it's off.